MGP 208Y120V 150A 3PH from Larson Electronics is a portable power distribution panel that offers operators a primary and secondary three-phase voltage of 208Y and 120 volt, 4 GFCI protected outlets, a 150 amp main breaker, one 100 amp line out breaker, and 12 20 amp line out protection breakers. This power distribution system provides operators the ability to safely tap into power from a variety of sources, including generators and direct grid power. This portable panel is suitable for outdoor applications. The power distribution on this portable panel makes 208Y and 120 volt available via 4 20 amp 120 volt GFCI protected 520 duplex receptacles with weatherproof covers. The MGP series of portable power distribution panels require operators to provide their own line-in cables for use. Knockouts are provided for convenient installation of operator-provided cables. The main load center is protected by a 150 amp load center with main breaker for circuit protection. 208Y 120 volt line out protection is provided by 12 20 amp 125 volt one-pole breakers and one 100 amp breaker. 2 tires and a cart-style mounting platform provide easier substation mobility. Connection for 208Y and 120 volt is through receptacles mounted on the side of the load center. Receptacles include 4 520 120 volt GFCI waterproof duplex receptacles. The load center is mounted within a NEMA 3R enclosure. The panel and load center distribution assembly is mounted to a standard upright steel dolly cart style frame, resulting in an extremely stable, durable, and mobile power distribution platform. This temporary power distribution solution can be modified to meet the needs of job site receptacle requirements. Units are available up to 150 kVA and can be equipped with skids or trailer mounted. Applications include construction sites, plant maintenance, hazardous location operations, shows, exhibits, and shipyard operations. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.